All right, y'all. Y'all like my sign? All right, sign. I made the sign. But we won't get a new sign, though. It's pretty anyway. Look. So I'm going to show y'all what we got done. See how we open the door, y'all. It's more cleaner. It's more everything. Y'all see? It's more clean and organized. You know? It ain't clear like it was a while ago, though. We couldn't fully see nothing. But we can now. So over here, we got all the party stuff that we have. Tablecloths, table chair covers, and all that stuff. And then the babies that we made for the baby shower we just did. We still trying to figure out if we're going to get a storage unit to store all like our party stuff and like that. So it won't be cluttered in our studio. Because this is where we make stuff at and design stuff at. So when we make it, and after the party is done or the event is done, we need somewhere to store all the stuff at. Because we're making all the little props like that for every event. Where they gonna go? You know what I'm saying? You know? And we want to keep all the props we made because we might have another event at the same event, like the same kind of thing. So that's how we want to save every prop we make. But, yeah. For right now, everything is over there. Okay? And then right here, it's like our electronic station and all that. So we got the Cricut, the heat press machine. This heat press can do plates, cups, and all. So this is that. We got that area, fan, heater, We got the dresser, like we saying. We're going to get new knobs, handles, and put on the dresser. And then we're going to put new paper, contact paper on the top. This is what we're going to get. All right, put this up there. It removes, just in case you want to put some more there. But right now, this is what we're going to use. But we're not going to do it today. We'll do another day. But for right now, that's what we do. So we got stuff in here. This is the removal vinyl. Well, the the vinyl part, the sticky vinyl. And we got the iron-on vinyl. And this right here is like where our sharp objects and knobs and all that stuff is. Cricut mats and all that stuff. And then out here we just got just different stuff in these drawers, y'all, just to keep. So look, we need the handles on it. I can't even open it. But it's like our paper right there and stuff. This is, like I said, my baby girl obituary. I mean, but yeah, that's the paper section. All the paper is in here. We just got more stuff stored in here for right now. So look, now we can't even put no more in there. And then the other stuff, we got more stuff, Gary. All right, here this is for our paint section. I'm not gonna open it because it's so full. It can't even open. So got some shields. But yeah, this is our printing station. Our lamination machine, printer. Woo, Lord. Yeah, I'm not really sure, y'all, because we're going to get rid of it because we was going to redo it, but we get rid of it. Okay. So, yeah, this is our other station. This is where the desk is at. This is our desk area, like we get orders and stuff. Yeah. Then there's this right here. We got to finish making it. This is where we're going to cut the fabric at when we do have fabric stuff. And, yeah, this is what the table really made for. But we'll be using it for other stuff. We made other stuff. So it's like a multi-table pop out of here. Because that's exactly what we'll be using it for different things. So, yeah. So we got to finish painting it. We're going to paint it this color just like the desk. This was going to be painted, but we hand painting this. I wish we could just take it back out the door and paint it, but it's heavy and my daddy didn't build it inside of here. So it's like, it's too heavy to put out that door. So yeah, it's coming along, y'all. Don't mind this oil, y'all. We had this oil for something we're making. So don't even mind the oil, okay? This is the sewing machine section. This is where the sewing gonna be happening. And yeah, I haven't been on this sewing machine in a while, and probably like a year and a half or probably like 2 years. I don't remember the last time I was on that sewing machine, but yeah. But yeah, y'all, this is how I look for now. We got stuff stored under there for right now until we find a place to put that stuff. But for right now, this is how it's looking. This is how it's looking, y'all. So you satisfied with it right now?
Yeah.
For right now?
Yeah. For right now.
Like we said, y'all gonna have to stay tuned to we get some more stuff. We're gonna bring y'all along the more stuff we do in here, cause it's not gonna stay like this. Hey y'all, we just wanted to clear stuff or get the trash, unclutter stuff, go through stuff. Cause I still got stuff in the house, y'all, that got to be out here. But we're not bringing it out here until we get more storage container and storage things to put out here, shelves and stuff. But for right now, this is how it is looking and stuff. So yeah. We also got, I'm gonna see y'all can see the lights. I'm gonna show y'all these lights, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the lights. Y'all see the lights? Y'all see? It's better at night. But yeah, these are lights. They go all the way around. My man put it up there. You know what I'm saying? He did a good job. He did a good job. But yeah, y'all. So we got the kids. And Ty got her fried from McDonald's because she was about to starve.
Starving.
She wasn't starving.
Starving.
We went to the dumpster. Took the trash to the dumpster. And then we got to do another round. Well, ain't that much stuff. And y'all don't pay our kids no mind. Yeah. But this is what we got right now. And we'll get more stuff. This is the area right here. And this little section right here with this table and all that right there is where our podcast section gonna be at. We're gonna have it set up. But yeah. That's why I said we're still trying to figure out what we're gonna do with all this stuff. If we're a storage unit or something, I don't know. We'll decide what we're gonna do with it. Y'all don't pay our kids no mind, y'all, because our kids always